Hello everyone, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to publish your announcement onto the Brightspace module. So first off, you have to click on your module. In my case, I'll be clicking on the MPC Digital Learning Sandbox. So right now we are in the main menu page of the module. On the right hand side, generally that's where all the announcements can be found. As you can see that some of my colleagues have actually populated the announcement page already. Yep. Okay, so to create an announcement, click on the top left hand side, and once you're in here, you'll be redirected to this new interface. And if you've actually created an announcement previously, you would see these details such as the start date, the end date, as well as the status of the announcement. Okay, so to create a new announcement, click on the blue button over here that says new announcement. And once you're in here, you're actually ready to click start and populate the content needed for announcement. Okay, so for demonstration purposes, let's say week 1, welcome to this module. And that would be our headline. For the content section, generally it looks like any of the HTML editors you see in your content area. So let's go off by dear student, welcome to this module. Okay, right now it may seem a bit boring with the dear student, but if you like to have a bit more of a personal touch per se, you can actually include this thing called replacement strings, whereby we would be able to deliver a customized message to every learner on the Brightspace platform. So when the particular learner views this replacement string, they will actually be viewing their name. To demonstrate this, let's change things up on how it will work. So first off, you have to have open curly braces followed by the code name. In most cases, we will generally use this code called first name, but there are other code names where you can insert inside. I'll put in some documentation outside of this video where you guys can refer to later. And so after you have inserted the code name, you end it off with close curly braces, and then when you actually preview this this line of text here, the students would generally see their first name. So to preview this announcement, we can go over to this icon over here, and when you hover over it, it says preview. So click on that, and then you can see generally my name over here. But when the learner views this, they will be able to see their own name. So click on close. And so if you would like to have more working space for your announcement, you can go on to the bottom right hand side, drag down, and you can have more, I guess, view space. And if you like to have the full width of your browser to work on your announcement, you can go on to the top right hand side here, click on this icon, and there you have it, a full screen view to edit your announcement. To insert links for your announcement, for example, if you want to redirect your student to another particular piece of content, you can click on this quick link icon over here. And let's say we want to redirect them to something, let's see, Cyrus unit. Okay, let's say we want to redirect them to this survey. You click on this, and there you have it. It's over here, very fast. And if you want to go above and beyond and insert images for your announcement, you can do rightly so by clicking on this image over here. So there are 3 ways we can insert an image onto your announcement. Firstly, by uploading from your computer. The next will be copying a URL address of your image. And lastly, if you have your image stored within the course directory, you can also upload it from there as well. So in my case, let's see, I want to do a Google search and grab something from there. Okay, let's see. Let's grab a donut image, right click, copy image address, and let's bounce back to the URL. So we can simply just copy paste the URL of the image and it should appear within our announcement. But before that, there'll be this thing called an alternative text. It's not really necessary, but it's sort of a good to have thing which gives additional information about what this image is about. In my case, this is a welcome donut. Click OK, and your image should actually be on the announcement page over here. Generally, images are kept to a max width of 800 pixels if I'm not wrong. This is due to Brightspace own stylings. Okay, moving on. To create a start date of your announcement, you can click over here and you'll be given this calendar view where you can set when you would like your announcement to appear. So let's say you want to schedule it for next week on the 25th of April. And we can set the specific time as well. Let's say we want to set it at 9 or maybe 9:15 perhaps, if that is possible. Yes, it is possible. You just have to type on your keyboard. So 9:15 a.m. And generally announcements go on the announcement feed indefinitely, but if you like to remove your announcement after a period of time, you can do so by inserting the end date over here. So you click the tick, and then you can generally set when you like it to disappear. Let's say we want it to disappear after a day, we can set it to the 26th of April. And lastly, if you like any additional release conditions, for example, if you like your students to only view this announcement after they have completed a specific piece of content, you can do so by attaching these conditions. So for demonstration purposes, let's click create and attach. And we'll go to having visited a particular content topic. So we click on that, and we can select the specific content material that they have to view. And after which they will be able to see this announcement. So let's see, let me see, let's go to sample poll maybe. Okay, so after that, click create, and it should appear over here. And that's about it. All we have left to do is to publish this announcement. So click on the blue button up here, and there you have it. The announcement is being scheduled to be published on the 25th of April at 9:15 a.m. and it will disappear the following day at 12 a.m. So that's how you create and publish an announcement on Brightspace.